Hey y'all, it's your girl Carol the Diva, and I'm back again with another YouTube video featuring Domiso hair. So I'm going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me, but first I'm going to open up the box and tell you guys what I got with the hair. So what I got is some lashes and a pair of stocking cap. So here's a close-up of the wig. The lace is pre-bleached. It is also pre-plucked and pre-cut for your liking, so it will be easy for you to put it on. I realized I didn't show the wig before putting it on. I'm not sure what happened with that clip, but here we are putting the wig on just to see what it looks like and what I need to do to it to make it, more suitable for me. So I noticed here that the stocking cap is showing through the wig, so I'm going to take the wig back off and fix that problem. So to solve that very minor problem, I'm adding some bronzer on the stocking cap to tone the color down a little bit to have it closer to my skin tone. So now I've toned the color down on the stocking cap and put the wig back on, and I like the way it looks so far. And what I'm doing here is just fixing up the part and make sure it's nice and straight and make sure there's no flyaway hair there. Now I'm applying some edge wax stick around the side just to make sure these flyaway hair stay nice and flat, and I'm also going to be applying some around the parting too, and then I'm going to go over it with my hot comb. So the hot comb is going to help to tame the hair and keep it laying nice and flat. Also, as I mentioned in a lot of my videos, that I like to do the sides first. It's best to do the sides first. As a matter of fact, it's gonna make it look so much better, and then I do around the parting. Now I'm going to apply some got2b glue gel around the sides to hold the lace down. And the main reason why I'm doing this is because, one, I'm wearing stocking cap, and the second reason, I don't have much hair to pin the clip into because I cut my hair off. So this is going to help to hold the lace down on the side, but I'm not going to add any of the gel in the middle of it because, like I said, it's a glueless wig and it's just perfect the way it is already. So I tie my edges down with an elastic band, and this is because I apply the gel and I want to hold the lace in place while it dries. And while the gel is drying, I'm moisturizing the hair with water, leave-in conditioner, and oil. So yes guys, that's all I have in the bottle that I'm spraying on the hair, and I'm not going to be applying anything else to it. So this is all I'm going to be doing to it before I finish it off. I got it moisturized well enough for my liking, so now I'm gonna go change into something different, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is it guys, I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I did a video with a longer version, looks the same like this earlier, but I don't know, for some reason I'm really digging the shorter one. I thought I loved the longer one until I put the shorter one on. I am so in love with it. So it's definitely not heavy, it doesn't tangle, it is just so beautiful. I love the curls, I really love the length, and I love that it's a lace front wig. I can take it off at night and put it back on, when I'm ready to go somewhere in the morning. And guys, not because the wig is glueless doesn't mean you can glue it down, and I guarantee it's gonna look so much better than a wig that's meant to be glued onto your head, just because it's already framed for your head or something. I don't know. If it can stay on without glue, then imagine how good it will look with glue. I am so feeling myself in this wig. I don't know, it makes me feel different, feel good, you know what I'm saying? I love the look that it gives me. This wig is just one of my favorite wigs right now. All the information for this wig will be in the description box, so definitely make sure you check that out. I will also leave a discount code for you guys, so when you go on their website you could get some kind of discount when you purchase any hair from them. If you have any question, guys, go ahead and leave them down below and I will make sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!